Yo guys, Henry here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Sodo MH11. It's a headphone that happens to turn into a speaker, and this is more or less like the first time I'm officially doing an unboxing on my channel. So I'm excited. I hope you're also excited. Let's get into the video. Okay, so before we get into the video, or before I do my unboxing, I would like to give a huge shout out to iGoodsGh because they made this video possible. Well, like I said, we'll be unboxing this headset. Myself, I haven't really heard of them prior to today or prior to my unboxing. And the box looks cool. I mean, it's black. Black makes everything premium. Like, I'm wearing black, so probably I knew that's why I was wearing this. And in the company name is written in green. It's Sodo. I haven't heard of them before. When you turn the box to the side, it gives you the modes that the box or the headset has. That is the headphone, the speaker mode, and the foldable mode. So the speaker mode, this is saying that when you're using it and you're like, okay, you want your friends to also enjoy the song or the music or whatever you're listening to, it turns the speakers outward and now it turns into a speaker. Yeah. And here it says it has NFC. I always find it neat or cool if a headphone or a headset has NFC support, because why not? I'm a sucker for NFC. By the way, I have a video about NFC on my channel. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Don't laugh about the quality. And then it has support for Bluetooth 5.0. You can use your memory cards directly in this headset. It also has support for radio and it has a microphone. So let's get into it. Yeah, I got a new blade to cut stuff. So yeah. Where do we cut? Behind the box here, they've written what's inside the box. So obviously your wireless headphone, they added an aux cable, a charging cable, and a user manual. I don't know why companies still add user manuals to products like these, because me, I don't use user manuals. I don't read user manuals. So it's like they are wasting paper and their time, and then who sits down to actually make these manuals. So I hope they keep that in mind. Ooh, neat packaging. Okay, so we'll put the box aside. I'm not going to use the box. It's empty now. So when you unbox it, you have this crate thing that has the headset and then some other things. So on the bottom left, you have your cables. I think this will probably be your USB cables and the aux cable. Let's put that aside. The user manual, like they said, it's tiny. They didn't waste anybody's time, because I think I can read this in like 2 seconds, except it's not in English. Oh, okay, they have English here. So there we have it. Okay, now it's all messed up. This is why I don't like user manuals. Spend so much time. And now what we all came here for, the headset itself. In this, I don't know, I'm a sucker for rabbits like this. I'm sure I'm going to keep this and use it as my headphone pouch. Don't judge me, it happens. I'm not the one who does that. And then we have the headset itself folded. I must say, I like the design, and the build quality feels a bit plasticky, and it feels like I might break it. But then, ooh, yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna set it up and then give you guys my thoughts on it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention when I was doing the unboxing is the USB that comes with this is USB Type-C. I, for one, I'm a sucker again for USB Type-C. It's like they did a lot of things right with this, because that means one less cable to carry around. My phone, the phone I use in my office to test out apps and stuff, and then my daily driver, all of them have USB Type-C, and I like the idea of USB Type-C. So having this headset to also cop USB Type-C is actually really cool. And you realize there's an EQ also on the headset. So all the controls are on the right side of the headset when you're using it. The EQ, there's an EQ to switch between sounds and stuff. And there's the previous, next, and also the play pause button. I'm yet to find the volume rockers on these things. I guess I'd have to look into the manual or something like that. Okay, so I found it in the manual. According to the manual, when you press once on the previous and next, they're supposed to change the volume or something like that. So let me try it out. And I'll have to find a copyright-free music or something else. My video will be copyright claimed or something. So let me find music. I mean, the sound on this isn't that bad. It's actually really good for the price. I don't know the pricing, but then I'll try to find out the pricing. So it'll be on the screen right now before I upload it or something like that. I'm going to ask iGoods. So if you want to purchase something like this, you'd have to reach out to iGoodsGh. So I've tested it. It sounds good. Now let's test out the outward thing. So all you need to do is just send it outwards, and then I'm good with the folks around me, get around me before we commence the clowning. Yeah, keep it on the level, yeah, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you with me never several. Let's get at it. So yeah, I actually like the quality of the build, even though it's plasticky and then it feels fragile and all that. And then also I like the fact that when I do wear it, it covers my ear. It covers my ear and then it feels soft over my ear. This is just my first impressions or my unboxing and impressions. I'm going to try to use it extensively and then probably make a full review out of it. But then currently, based on how I'm feeling right now, I feel it's comfortable, and then because it has soft cushions on it, you can wear it for longer hours. So on the box here, it says when you're using it as like headphone mode, you can use up to 12 hours for music playback. And then when you're using that as speaker mode thing, you can use it up to 5 hours. That's some interesting use case for the speaker mode, because I don't see myself having to use this for speaker mode continuously. It's a neat feature to have for moments where you're listening to something and your friend comes and it goes like, oh, hey, what are you watching? Or what are you listening to? Or, hey, I have something I want you to check out or listen to. Then you just invert it and then everyone can hear whatever you were listening to in your headset. Or someone sends you a music that sucks and you're like, oh, I can't have this pain alone. Everyone around me has to have this same pain, but then I don't want to go through the pain of repairing it to something or using my phone speaker because I was already listening to music. Just invert it and then boom, ka-chow. You're sharing bad music to your friends. So yeah, my last thoughts is on the aux cable. The aux cable, it's red. I mean, red and black combo. I would have give for it to be green or black or something, but then I guess this is something you can easily buy. It's not that long, but I guess, sorry. But I guess it's long enough to move from your head to your pocket or something, or probably you're watching a movie on your phone or on your PC. Obviously, they didn't make this. This was like an afterthought. They made this and then we're like, oh, we should definitely add an aux cable for them so that we'll not talk about it a lot. So yeah, you can get a longer one. And the port to put in your memory cards is at the top of the right ear. The right ear has all the controls like the headphone jack, your USB Type-C port, the EQ, and then the power mode, like the turn on, the power on, and then the modes, and then your pause, play, up, down, whatever things. So yeah, if you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just feel free to tell me in the comment section, and also share it to your friends who you might think they might be interested in a product like this. And also, like I said, big shout out to iGoodsGh for making this video possible, and I'll leave links to their social media handles in the description so that you could share some love. If you're buying something from them, tell them Henry sent you. You won't get anything special, but then it will make me look cool, so do that. So yeah, wear your masks and stay safe.
They'll find out I'm spraying out of you still. Oh, goddamn.